I tried crypto trading for 1 week and here's what happened. Cryptocurrency trading can be an exciting and potentially lucrative endeavor, but it also comes with its fair share of challenges and risks. As someone who has dipped their toes into the crypto trading waters, I can attest to the roller coaster of emotions and experiences that come with it. For the sake of this narrative, let's call my 1 week crypto trading experiment project Crypto Conquest. The goal was to see what kind of results I could achieve with a modest initial investment and a willingness to learn. Starting out, I began my crypto trading journey by signing up with BingX, a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly platform and a wide range of digital assets to trade. When registering on BingX, be sure to use the referral code 911 to take advantage of any special offers or bonuses they might have. With a starting capital of $1,000, I dove headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency trading. I spent the first couple of days researching various cryptocurrencies, studying market trends, and familiarizing myself with the trading platform's features and tools. The first few days, armed with my newfound knowledge, I made my first few trades, carefully selecting coins that I believed had the potential for growth. The initial trades went relatively well, and I managed to eke out a small profit. This early success fueled my confidence, and I became increasingly eager to expand my trading activities. However, as the week progressed, I quickly learned that crypto trading is not for the faint of heart. The market can be incredibly volatile, with sudden price swings that can make even the most seasoned traders scratch their heads, navigating the volatility. One day, I made a trade that I thought was a surefire winner, only to see the market turn against me within a matter of hours. The sense of panic and helplessness I felt in that moment was palpable. I found myself glued to the trading platform, constantly monitoring the markets and trying to make sense of the erratic price movements. Despite my best efforts, I experienced a few more losses, which tested my patience and resolve. I had to constantly remind myself of the importance of risk management and the need to maintain a level head in the face of market turbulence. Lessons learned. Through this 1 week crypto trading experiment, I gained several valuable insights that I believe are worth sharing. 1. Patience and discipline are key. Successful crypto trading requires a long-term mindset and the ability to resist the temptation of making impulsive decisions. Rushing into trades without a well-thought-out strategy can lead to disastrous results. 2. Diversification is crucial. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a surefire way to amplify your losses. I learned the importance of diversifying my portfolio across various cryptocurrencies and asset classes to mitigate risk. 3. Continuous learning is a must. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest developments, trends, and analysis is crucial for making informed trading decisions. 4. Emotions must be kept in check. Allowing emotions like fear, greed, or panic to drive your trading decisions can be a recipe for disaster. Developing a disciplined and objective approach is essential. 5. Start small and gradually scale up. As a newcomer to crypto trading, I would advise starting with a small investment and gradually increasing your stake as you gain more experience and confidence. This approach can help you manage your risk more effectively. In the end, my 1 week crypto trading experiment was a humbling experience, but it also served as a valuable learning opportunity. While I didn't achieve the astronomical returns I had initially hoped for, I walked away with a deeper understanding of the crypto market and the skills necessary to become a more successful trader. If you're considering dipping your toes into the world of crypto trading, remember to approach it with caution, diligence, and a willingness to learn. And don't forget to use the referral code 911 when registering on BingX to take advantage of any special offers or bonuses they might have.